two more free throws again, this time for Mapula. Pero dito guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is our women's division in court number 1. Royals versus Young Titans.
Nice!
Huge shout out to Coach Anton Altamirano and the entire players who represented the Philippines in the FIBA 3x3 Asia Cup. We had the best finish ever, no? Sa 3x3 natin.
And in Canada, our homeland native land, through Patriot Nerve and Owner's Son's command. And Bucket lost the foul. And there's a foul. And now we're looking at a 1-point ball game. Good interior defense blocking that shot by Australia. And 2 minutes. Aquino, look at that double pick. Give it to Aquino. Good defense by Australia right there. But in and out and almost the cleanup for Philippines. Pero wala pa rin Australia bola.
Oh, good steal by Australia. Oh, look at that side step by Pyeongtaek. Number 2 in our Pool G. Mom C's basketball versus crossover Canada.
Okay, mag-ready na po ang Mom C.
Mendoza with the rebound, gives it to Puno. Puno kicks it out. Oh, great interior defense from Australia, forcing Phil Cat to commit a shot clock violation. Court Puno, kung lahat mga Pilipino ang naglalaro. As Young Titans up by 3 now because of that 2 from the side. Oh, see it as what a drive from Australia as they are now up by. It will be a battle between the top team versus the bottom team and the second team and the third team. So that will be a playoff format, no? Ang gagawin natin here in our women's division. Meanwhile, in the men's division, only the top teams in the Gentlemen, once again, 24 teams in the men's division, 4 teams in the women's division. Look at that move! 14-12 is the score. There's up by 2. Meanwhile, on the other end, Phil Cat. And finally, throws in for. Pero, mahaba-haba pa ang oras dito ng Young Titans to bounce back in this ball game. So, Kenny, so far, kamusta naman itong 3x3 natin sa NBTC? Again, Kenny Rivino, one of our... Still... Isabel up by 2, 7 minutes to play here. Reyes looking. Oh, good defense by Australia. They need to shoot it. Celudo misses that one. right now, 62 is the score. And look at that. 2-point shot. So McDonald shooting promise here in our NBCC 3x3 as Phil can enjoy the 7-point lead here, 6 minutes and 15 remaining. Meanwhile in court 2, taking a hit. Short away to penalty. Oh, good play by Australia. Look at that rush screen. That's a high IQ basketball play. In court 2, Japon. Almost. High bounce. Japon showing his handles here. And that's going to be a foul. Next game, it's going to be in our men's division again. 11-8 is the score. 4 minutes and 30 remaining in court 1, court number 2. It's a tied ball game with 3 minutes remaining. Or 1 foul shy away to the penalty. So Australia can actually sign up here, just scan their QR code in this booth, and then you need to like and follow their Facebook page, nila. Nice pass to McDonald. McDonald with the shot. Short, rebound by Gonzalez. Get it to go, Zuma. Duma drive,